Wild, 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 wild. Yellow moon, yellow moon.
Hey guys, today I'll be doing a wash day routine and hairstyle. And yeah, if you really want to see how I get my hair like this, then keep on watching.
Okay, so first off, we're gonna start by unraveling these braids I got in. Here I'm showing you the texture, and you know what a wonderful braid out this could have been if today wasn't wash day. Ooh, there I am. Whoa, what is that? Look at that amount of hair on my head. Oh my gosh. Comb it out, and now I'm heading to drench it in water. Wow, look at that. That was quick. And here I am again showing you the texture of my hair without any product. And now I'm just adding in this shampoo. I'll list all the products in the description box. Focus the shampoo on your roots and don't do it down the rest of the hair. So of course here is the second round of shampooing, and I just repeat the steps that you just saw me do the first time. And now I'm going in with conditioner. So I put my hair into 4 sections. Well, oh wait, this looks like 3. Okay, 3 sections. And I start off with the back section. And yes, I do use a generous amount of conditioner. Get it in there, girl. So yeah, after I try to get it in there, then I just rake it through with my fingers. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of difficulty, but you know, that will be sorted out really soon. Yeah, when it feels tangled, just get some more conditioner or some more slip. Then go in with a Denman brush. This is optional. You can go in with your Denman brush to make the process easier.
Oh my god. As the years go by, you will still be mine.
So after I finish twisting the hair up with the conditioner, now it's time to wash it out and head on to styling. All I really used is some leave-in conditioner and the curl enhancing smoothie for this style. Nothing else, literally. Just rake it in there, and yeah, you can see for yourself. Just watch the rest of the video. And now we are finished. Ooh, look at those curls. Yes, popping, luscious, beautiful curls. Yes, flip that hair, girl. Okay, okay, I see you. So yeah, that's it.
This concludes this video. I hope you liked it. It was kind of different from my usual videos, and as you can see, I'm in somewhere much brighter, much brighter, so the quality shouldn't be that bad. So yeah, as I was saying, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.